To estimate for service work, firstly calculate the labor costs. Determine the hourly pay rate for an electrician, including benefits and overhead. Estimate the number of hours required to complete the job. Multiply the pay rate by the estimated hours to calculate the labor cost. Secondly, factor in materials. List all materials required for the job, including equipment, parts, and consumables. Obtain quotes from suppliers or estimate the cost based on industry averages. Add the materials cost to the labor cost. Thirdly, markup for residential customers. For residential customers, you can typically charge a higher markup due to the convenience and personalized service. Industry standard markups for residential electrical work range from 30% to 50%. Multiply the total cost, labor plus materials, by the desired markup percentage. Fourthly, add taxes and fees. Calculate applicable sales tax, permit fees, or any other relevant charges. Add these costs to the total estimate. Fifthly, consider travel time. If the job requires travel, factor in the time and cost of travel. Include the travel time in your labor hours estimate. Sixthly, provide a detailed estimate. Break down the estimate into individual line items for labor, materials, markup, taxes, and any other relevant costs. Clearly state the assumptions and limitations of the estimate. Seventhly, get approval. Present the estimate to the customer and obtain their approval before commencing work. Be prepared to answer questions and explain the basis of your estimate. More complex jobs require higher labor rates and materials costs. Emergency repairs typically command a higher premium. Consider the competition in your area and adjust your markup accordingly. Build strong relationships with customers to earn their trust and willingness to pay a higher markup. For example, labor cost is $100 per hour. Estimated hours are 4 hours. Materials cost is $200. Markup at 30% is $90. Sales tax at 6% is $25. The total estimate is $450.